Welcome to Ideal House Quick Start. Choosing paint from a small color card is hard because the same color can look very different in your own room. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to test wall paint colors directly in your actual room photo using Ideal House's Room Visualizer. First, upload a clear indoor photo of the room you want to update. Try to use a photo where the walls are easy to see and the lighting is close to how the room usually looks. Once the photo is loaded, Room Visualizer will let you preview new surfaces, including walls, floors, wall decor, and rugs. For this example, we'll focus only on wall paint. In the Materials section, choose Wall. This tells the tool that you want to change the wall surface. Instead of the floor or another part of the room, the tool detects different wall areas in the image. You may see labels like Wall 1, Wall 2, or Wall 3. Select the wall you want to test first. This is especially useful if you want to try an accent wall before changing the whole room. Now, browse the paint options in the material list. You can try soft whites, warm neutrals, grays, greige tones, or deeper colors. Don't judge only from the swatch. The goal is to see how the color feels inside your actual space. Let's choose this paint option. After selecting it, the wall updates in the preview, while the room's lighting, shadows, flooring, and windows stay visible. This helps you understand whether the color looks natural in your own room. Use Zoom to inspect the result more closely. Look at the corners, darker areas, and the parts of the wall near windows, because paint color often changes depending on light. Next, use Compare to check the before and after. This makes it easier to decide if the new paint color makes the room feel brighter, warmer, calmer, or more polished. I recommend testing at least 3 colors: one safe neutral, one warmer option, and one slightly bolder choice. Comparing them in the same room photo can help you make a more confident decision before buying paint. At the bottom, you can review the selected product. You can also click View More Details if you want to learn more about the paint option before making a final decision. When you find a version you like, click Save Current Design. You can save different paint ideas, compare them later, or share them with a client, contractor, or family member. That's it. Instead of guessing from a paint card, Room Visualizer lets you preview wall colors in your real room photo, so you can choose with more confidence before you paint.